Hello, my name is Sam and I'm going to show you how to turn this big sheet of paper, A4 sheet of paper, into one of these books. And so you just need to, so first you fold it over and you fold it over till it reaches the edge of this one. So it's exactly at the edge. At both sides. And then you fold it like this. And after that you open it up. And then you fold this bit over into here. And then you turn it around and you fold that up there. And then you fold this bit the same over to the edge again. Then you have an M or a W. So then you put it together. So you have a T. And then once you have the T, you can see there's a middle line right there. So you cut through the middle line. And then you have this, like a little face. Then you fold it back. And then you have this. And then you put that together. You fold it once, you fold it twice, you fold it 3 times. And then you have a book. So you can draw on it as much as you want, and you can make loads of them and put them all together like this.